Right folks, before I start, I've just got to say, it's that time of month when I send out the invoices. Now I know some of you have got things put by and you pay 2nd or 3rd of the month. That's fine. But I've tried writing to some of you, and whether I've got the right email address, I don't know. So I need you to contact me. That's Vicky Ulrich. I've got your order here, which was done off the, it's not on the shop. It was things you asked to be put by. So I've actually sent you the invoice on the email address that I've got from your last one. If you've changed, you need to let me know. That's Vicky, I think it's Ulrich. Peggy Binds, I've tried several. You've made orders with me, but I've tried several times. I've even sent an order with a message in, so I don't know if you're getting them. Well, you should do. You got your parcel, but I need you to let me know what you want me to do about the green bag you asked me to make. If you no longer want it, that's fine. I can pass that on. But I have sent you an invoice for it, but I don't know if I've sent the invoice to the right place, to the right email address. So you need to let me know. And I'm thinking, well, you've bought from me since I made it and since I've contacted you, but maybe I've got the wrong email address for you. You might have had to change. Molly Fairchild, you ordered the 3 diamante brooches. If you don't want them, let me know, because I can put them on the shop or pass them on. I have sent you an invoice, so it's either be in your email box or it'll be in your spam box or wherever you keep the mail, the incoming mail. Pamela and Judy, so that's Pamela Welsh and Judy McMurtry. We know all about yours. We know what you're doing. That's all ready. Your invoices are there, ready for you, just when you're ready, because that's arrangements we have. Tammy Con, at CONN, I've sent you an invoice for the unpaid shipping. It was it cost more to send your order than what we charged her, and if it were only 50p a pound, I wouldn't bother. But it was a little bit more than that, so I have sent you an invoice for that. Terry Alderson, I'm not sure if I've got your right email address, because I've tried contacting you. I mean, you've been shopping for years with us, but what I'm saying is, you asked me to put some things by. I have written to you. I hope you're okay. That's the main thing. But if you're not and you're in hospital or whatever, then obviously that's why you've not been in touch. But please, just let me know. I have sent the invoice. Go and check it out, unless you can't do it at the moment. You're incapacitated. And then obviously I need to know so that I don't want to bother anybody. I just like you to know you've got your invoices. Linda Ross, we sorted yours out. So that's Ray's got some boxes this afternoon. Everything's going in a box, so you're right. And you've got your invoice as well. So, and I know we've arranged for that. And that's it. But please, so the ones that you've all got the invoices, which is Vicky Ulrich, Peggy Binds, Molly Fairchild, Pamela Welsh, Tammy Con is a unpaid shipping one, Terry Alderson, Linda Ross, and Judy McMurtry. So they're the only invoices going out this week. Next week there might be some more, but that's all going out. And obviously, I know when people are going to pay because they tell me. But some of you are not answering, so I need to know. And Peggy, that bag, you've had 2 orders from me since you ordered the bag. I did the bag with the pearl trim around, and I need to know if you want it. If not, I can pass it on, love. Okay. Right, and Tammy Con, obviously the shipping one. It's probably in your spam box and you've not seen it. And Terry Alderson, are you okay? Because I need to know. And, if you need me to hold on to it longer, that's fine. I'm quite happy to do that. I can't hold on for things forever. I can't hold on to things forever. But, because I don't have the room. So, we'll give you a couple more weeks. And then see how we get on. But please contact me and let me know you're okay. That's the main thing. Right, that's it. Now I'm going to go on and do the flowers. And unfortunately, next door's neighbour was playing music. A lot of it's in the quiet. You won't hear me talk at all. But for the odd thing. Okay. Enjoy the flowers. Right, folks. I'm just getting some bits together. I did say we'll come back and do a flower. I had to go see my son. As I said on the video, is one of the videos, he did that walk and his feet were... I shouldn't laugh really because he was in a lot of pain, but his feet have been bad. Right, sorry, but I might not be able to speak at all in this particular video because the next doors keep playing music and it affects my videos. So I'm just going to play and you'll just have to watch. Right, the music's only just stopped, so I couldn't talk while the music was on. Unfortunately, neighbours, you can't do anything about it, so I do apologise for that, but I'm just going to make a couple of leaves for this. Well, I might put these on actually, because they're quite nice. Let's just have a look. Yeah, I might just use a couple of these. I like buying those and then cutting them up, you see, so I can play around. Like that. I do like them. This is what I was saying about these things. You can trim bits off them, like I can cut that. Let me just see. So that needs to be cut. Just to enhance that little area there, and I think we can also do the same with that side as well, with that tiny one like that, see, and that just sets that off. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, speak to you all soon, bye bye for now.